As I'm making these tutorials for YouTube, I should begin each one by saying, "Hey guys, what's up?" But it sounds very cliched and not entirely natural to me, so I'll just say welcome. Welcome to Learn to Read Thai video tutorial 20. And the good news is that we've almost finished. There's just 4 more consonants and another vowel, and I'll be doing 2 of the consonants and the vowel today. And I'll start off with the vowel. In Thai, there are only 3 vowels that look like this. These 2 we've done already back in tutorial 3, and they make a short I sound. And then they're not used with a final consonant. So with a word like chicken, we just have the vowel and the initial consonant, and there's no final consonant. Both of these perform the same function. They make the same sound, but only about, I think it's about 20 words use this one. Most words use this one. And the other vowel that looks like this is this one. So when you see the head sort of going to the left, that's a short I. And the head of this one looks like the head of the consonant ro rua. When you see it going this way, it makes a different sound. It's called sara'o. And with English, one of the things I don't like about written English is the inconsistency with phonetics. With English vowels, dependent on the word they're used in, they can make different sounds. And Thai, generally, is a lot better. It's a lot more consistent phonetically. But there are some inconsistencies, and there are some with this vowel. With some words, it just makes an ot sound, like the o in song. But with other words, it makes an o sound, as in own, home, loan, that kind of thing. So there is some inconsistency. And the other difference is that it can be used with a final consonant. And we'll see some examples of that when I do the sample words. It's also used in a vowel combination. So with some words, you'll have this vowel, then the initial consonant, then the short a. And when it's written like this, it just makes a very short ot sound. Again, you'll see that in the sample words. For tone purposes, when it's written on its own, it's a long vowel, and in this vowel combination, it's a short vowel. Now onto the consonants, and when we did this one back in tutorial 17, I mentioned that the basic shape is similar to some other consonants, and these are the ones I was referring to. So we've done this one already. That makes a CH sound as an initial consonant, and it's not used as a final consonant. And we have this one, which is called Nornain. And Nain is a novice monk in Thailand. That makes an N sound as an initial consonant and an N sound as a final consonant. And this one, which is Your Ying, Ying as in female. And that makes a Y sound as an initial consonant and an N sound as a final consonant. There are other N and Y consonants, and the other ones are actually used more commonly. This is Nornul and Yor Yak. But these ones do crop up quite frequently as well. The only difference with these 2 Y ones is that Yor Yak makes a Y sound as an initial and final, and the sound of this one changes. So if it's a final consonant, it makes an N sound. And for tone purposes, all of these consonants are low class. Now onto a few sample words using the 2 new consonants and the new vowel. And today I won't be doing the tone rules. I've been doing tone rules ever since I covered tones in tutorials 12 and 13. However, if you need any help with them, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you with the tone rule. So here we go, is the first word. And we're using the new vowel, the sara'o. And we have a ro rua initial consonant, the R sound, and the ngongu ng final consonant. That's one word. And the next word, you'll see here we have the ia vowel combination. We have a rorua r initial consonant and a nonu n final consonant.
โรงเรียนโรงเรียนโรงเรียน
That's the Thai word for school. And in that word, this vowel makes sort of the O sound as in song. Get Pom to write the next word. This next word I see quite a lot as I'm wandering around. The first syllable has the sara o and then bo by mai, the initial consonant. There's no final consonant. And then the second syllable we have the rorua r initial consonant, a long r, and then the other new consonant, the nor name, which makes an n sound.
โบราณโบราณโบราณ
That word means ancient, and places where I see it, like coffee shops, if they sell the old style of Thai coffee, gafe boran. Ice cream, there's a sort of traditional style of Thai ice cream, ice dim boran, and in some massage shops, because the art of Thai massage is very old, so they often describe it as a nuat boran. And I said that this vowel there's a bit of inconsistency. It's sort of pronounced two ways, and when we heard rong rian, it's like the O in song, and this is more this is like the O in own. So what we have the sara o vowel, and in this word we have to write an initial consonant, but we don't want an initial consonant sound, so we just use this silent zero consonant, and our final consonant is the nonu n sound.
โอนโอนโอน
And that word means transfer, as to transfer money. This word demonstrates the importance of telling learners that consonants make one sound as an initial consonant and another sound as a final consonant. This is why I get so upset with the transliteration. The word we have here, this is one of the S consonants, and then mahanagat above it, like a U vowel. Then we have the yor ying that we were learning today, and in this syllable it's a final consonant, so it makes an N sound. Now we've got exactly the same consonant here, but this is the next syllable, so it's actually an initial consonant, so it makes a Y sound. Then we have the long R vowel and the nor name, which makes an N sound. So I'll let Pom say that for you.
สัญญาณสัญญาณสัญญาณ
And that means signal. Now, what I'm going to do is just get Pom to remove I'll just remove the final consonant. So here we have the same word without the final N sound.
สัญญาสัญญาสัญญา
And that word means promise, contract, or agreement. So if you're buying something in Thailand, and you'll need to sign the agreement. So I'll get Pom to replace the nor name on the end. Pom kien mai. And then write a bit more underneath. Okay, so we're back to the sanyan, the signal. And underneath we have the sada I, the short I, one of the F consonants, phi, which is light. And this word here means traffic. And this phrase is actually the correct term for traffic lights. You often hear people referring to traffic lights just as phi dang, red light, but this is the actual word for traffic lights.
สัญญาณไฟจราจรสัญญาณไฟจราจรสัญญาณไฟจราจร
Okay, and just one more word to demonstrate the shortened version of that vowel. Clean my board a bit. Gets rather dirty. Yeah. So here we have the Sara O, but we also have the short A. So this makes a vowel combination. It's just a very short O. And we have the to tau, which is the consonant that makes a sound between a D and a T. And quite unusually, we have the third tone mark. This one doesn't come up very often at all.
To, to, to.
And that word means table. Right, that's the tutorial finished. So I'm just going to do one more to cover the vowels and consonants. There's just two more consonants. And after that I have some supplementary material planned. And to make sure that the channel continues, if you find these videos useful, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you soon in tutorial 21.